Good morning. It is Thursday, January 16th, and today is pitch day, which means that you are going to get up in front of the class and you're going to share your documentary pitch ideas. While you are sharing those ideas, you are going to be, the class members are going to be rating how they feel about your ideas. On Schoology, you will find links to these interest surveys. So you'll see right here the level of interest in each person's project. They will be listed in alphabetical order. So what you need to do, I have to change these names yet, but I have some time to do that. So what I want you to do is I want you to decide what interests do you have in Isabella's topic. So you'll say that it's really interesting, that you wish you would have thought of it yourself, that you would read or see a paper or see a documentary about it, that you don't really find it interesting or boring, that it kind of depends on what the person does with the topic. If you think it's a little bit boring, then go ahead and mark a little bit boring. And if you don't like the topic, if you think it's either been done before, like it's an old topic, there's not much new to say about it, or that you actually find it a little bit offensive, then you're going to mark a rating of 1. And then you're going to take a look at people's preparedness. So how prepared were they? Now remember, you're working in groups of 3. So hopefully once you decide who your group is before Christmas break and let me know, 3 or 4, I will change this so that everybody's names are on there, and you'll just be presenting in the order that it occurs on this survey. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to Schoology and open up the survey to see who is presenting their ideas first. All right. When you are up there presenting, think about how to speak so that people find you interesting. Remember to add any details that you want to. At the end of your presentation, ask people if they have any questions, and then take a minute or so to answer any classmates' questions, and then go ahead and sit down and start rating the next person. When it is your turn, you do not have to rate yourself, but you can if you want to. All right. I hope that's understandable, and I hope you're having a good couple weeks after Christmas break. One more day, I think, and I'm hoping I will be back on Tuesday the 21st, but I will keep people informed and let them know for sure.